Hospitalizations do continue to surge tonight. 93,000 Americans, 93,000 are in the hospital with COVID. Tonight, hospital staff's overwhelmed. And as I mentioned at the top tonight, New York's governor warning hospitals to reach out to retirees, nurses and doctors to prepare for what's coming and for many, what's already here. Here's ABC's chief national correspondent Matt Gutman tonight.
Tonight, the image of that doctor wrapped in PPE and cradling a COVID patient resonating nationwide. It was taken on Dr. Joseph Arone's 252nd consecutive day of duty.
We're exhausted. We are tired. I have nurses that in the middle of the day start crying.
And in the original epicenter of the pandemic in this country, New York, Governor Andrew Cuomo warning another pause could be on the way.
We are now worried about overwhelming the hospital system. Every hospital has to identify retired nurses and doctors now. We're already experiencing staff shortages.
More doctors, nurses, and patients spending Thanksgiving in crammed COVID wards than almost anyone thought possible. A new record set almost daily. Tonight, 93,000 Americans hospitalized with COVID. In Rhode Island, they're running out of room, opening 2 field hospitals this week.
Hospitals are full, patients are scared, staff is really tired.
Here in California, with cases, hospitalizations, and deaths tripling this month, Los Angeles County ordering a stay-at-home order banning indoor and outdoor gatherings with anyone outside the household. New Jersey also tightening restrictions. Public health experts warning Thanksgiving holiday may only have made it worse. Over 1.1 million travelers screened at TSA Sunday, the busiest day for air travel since the pandemic started. Americans traveling against the advice of the CDC now told to assume they have the virus. But that increased demand for testing pushing the system to the limit.
The line behind me here in Los Angeles is over 2 hours long, and the demand for testing here is putting a strain on capacity. Every single slot offered by the city of Los Angeles has been booked for the past 10 days.
Up to half of all states now report a shortage of testing supplies.
If we can't test people early, we can't identify them, we can't stop the spread.
And the elderly remain the most vulnerable. Just 2 days before Thanksgiving, Leslie and Patricia McWaters of Michigan, married for 47 years, dying from the virus within 60 seconds of each other. Their family writing in their obituary, they did almost everything together, so it should be no surprise that they went to be with the Lord together within the very same minute.
I read that obituary today. It was so moving. And Matt Gutman with us live tonight. Matt, we also heard what Dr. Deborah Burke said after the Thanksgiving holiday, that if you went to a gathering, that you should proceed as though you've already been exposed, get tested, and simply be extra careful around your older parents or grandparents, the most vulnerable.
It's such a stark warning from Dr. Burks, David, really just telling people who've gathered with folks outside of their immediate household to consider themselves infected. And in fact, across the country today, we are seeing long lines pretty everywhere we have looked, and now labs are backing up as well. Dr. Fauci saying it could be about 2 to 3 weeks before the effects of all of this holiday travel are actually felt. He's actually calling it a surge upon a surge. David.
All right, Matt Gutman, thank you. A lot of other news.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.